Jibril. I'm the director of Tuesday Cambodia, which is a web agency. So we set up 3 years ago in Phnom Penh. So we started to develop many kind of IT services first. And since last year, we started to develop on a new platform that has been developed by the Facebook team, Messenger chatbot. So, um, so who here have Facebook? Who know Facebook? Who use Facebook? Okay. So I think that most of you also use Messenger, Facebook Messenger. Perfect. Do you know what is a chatbot? Who don't know what is a chatbot? Okay. So let me try to explain you quickly. Perfect. So basically, it's automatic reply. So, by example, we have a chatbot here for one Facebook page in Cambodia, which is Meal Temple. So Meal Temple is a food delivery company. It's a famous food delivery company in Cambodia. And with this company, we can order food online. Thanks to the chatbot, we don't need to download any app. We don't need to go to the website. So a chatbot is just a program that we can use on Facebook Messenger to reply automatically to message. So basically, so you can message a page and ask, by example, so you can order your food online with directly with Facebook Messenger. You can order your food online. You can order a ride on Grab or Uber, by example, directly on Facebook Messenger. So no need to download an application. No need to go on a website. Messenger is a one-stop solution to deliver services. So we have many utilities for that in Cambodia. The main utility is a customer service. So, by example, we have one of our customers is a local insurance. They use Facebook Messenger to receive all the claims of the customers. So, so when you go to the hospital and you are in a hurry, you don't want to call your insurance and ask for the refund. You can just chat to your insurance, send all the paper by Facebook Messenger, and you will be able to get your refund, by example. We use it, by example, mostly in Cambodia is for e-commerce. E-commerce in Cambodia, we say is mostly on Facebook. We work a lot with with SMEs who have big Facebook page, big and middle Facebook page, and they sell online. So they make a lot of money online. 80% of their business is on Facebook. So we try to use the power of the power of the chatbot to make the transaction more easy online. So chatbot is a small thing. A chatbot is a gadget, but that can tackle many kind of different industry. It can help the e-commerce in Cambodia. It can help to improve the customer service in big company, in middle company, and small companies. It can help small businesses to process more transactions, and it can help also to put a link between the offline world and the online world. So, by example, we have some chatbot which run in some restaurant and can help people to make the queue. So when you enter in a restaurant, you can scan a QR code and directly order from your table. The order will be directly processed and sent it to the POS, so you can pay later, pay by cash or anything. So the thing is, the power of the chatbot is that we can do everything directly on Messenger. Besides that, we have developed also a little CRM that I can't show here. So it's just a little CRM. It's a website where our customer can log in and they can manage their user, so they can manage their customer. So we work with a lot of small SMEs that don't have any system, and we just try to help them to build their customer list. To build their customer list and to group their customer and to broadcast message to all their customer with Messenger, but with other channels like text message, email, Messenger, and sometimes also Facebook post. So finish now. If you have some question, I can try to use 1 minute to try to show a little demo about the chatbot. Okay. So if you want to see what is a chatbot, you can go to the page of Miltemple. So you can open Messenger and search for the Miltemple Facebook page. You will be prompted, by example, to choose if you want to order or send a message, and you will be able, by example, to order directly. Be careful if you process the order, you will receive a call, and maybe they will send it to you. That's it. If you want to test the current chatbot that we have in Cambodia, you can check the Facebook page of Miltemple. We launched also a little chatbot named EasyLoy to help people to find a job. So you have a Facebook page named EasyLoy. You can go on this Facebook page, and we help people to register, to send an application easily, just with few questions. So by Messenger, what kind of job do you want? And after you can choose a job. What kind of qualification do you have? So you can choose a qualification. And we link it directly with the companies who are looking for small workers. So you have also a Facebook page of Bima Cambodia. We have a chatbot. You have also a lot of event company. A lot of event company who use the chatbot. So basically now I'm in a room. So I'm in an event. I can send a game to all the audience. So I can send a message to all the audience and just make a QCM. 1 + 1 =, and so after you can answer it. That's all. Thank you very much.